have tree house, we have canopy walkway, we have children's park, and we have picnic too down there. The park is made up of two blocks lying adjacent to each other, as we have a scene attendance resource reserve and Kakum. We have tree house, we have canopy walkway, we have children's park, and we have picnic too down there. The park is made up of two blocks lying adjacent to each other, as we have a scene attendance resource reserve and Kakum resource reserve. Together we call it Kakum Conservation Area. This park was gazetted to become national park in 1992. That's our late Jerry John Lawrence. He gazetted this park to become national park. This park is grouped. The forest has been grouped into 4 layers. We have ground layer. That's where we are now. We have understory layer. We have canopy layer, and we have emergency layer. That's the taller trees. 300 species of birds in this forest. We have birds. Bells. Bells. Anyway, bells. In this forest, we have over 600 species of butterflies, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. We have over 100 species of them. We have elephants in this forest, leopards, elephants, leopards in this forest. But we don't have tiger, lions in this forest.
That's good.
We have tigers. We have monkeys. For monkeys family, we have Olive, Diana. We also have bush babies. That is the cat family. We have bush babies. We have civets. We have King Kong. King Kong. Okay. We don't have King Kong in here. We don't have horned animals in this forest because of the climbers. They always live in the savannah area where you can see like 2 kilometers or 100 kilometers ahead. That's where the horned animal can be. But we have dikers, but that one is unhorned, as hornless animals. We have them here. Reptiles, we have Nile monitor, we have crocodiles, we have snakes also here. Now if you are lucky, you can come across with some. Yeah, that's if you are lucky.
If you are lucky.
Yeah.
You don't want to be lucky.
About 90% of animals living in rainforest are nocturnal. They are active in the night. So it's a 90%. So by 70% chance, 30% chance we can see some roaming around, like monkeys jumping here and there. But because of our noise and our numbers, the color in the perfume we use always drive them away. We have over 200 species of 200 elephants in this forest. Wow. Elephants. They are not big as those in savannah. This one is forest elephants. They weigh 4,000 kilos. For elephants in the savannah, they weigh like 7,000 to 8,000 kilos. For elephants living here, it's 4,000 kilos. But they live far away. That's farmland communities. We have 52 communities around this park, and over 45,000 people around this park, and over 400 people, hamlets, that's cottages and villages around this park. Okay. But as I'm talking to your question, you can ask. This forest is part of Upper Guinean forest. As every 2 hectares of land, we have over 200 species of trees, different trees in per every 2 hectares of land. 200 different species per every 2 hectares of land. We are using only 2 hectares of land out of 36,000 hectares for the tourism. Okay. The canopy walkway, we call it canopy walkway because it is hanging in the canopy level of the forest, and it is suspended, 7 bridges suspending in air. The bridge was constructed they started 1994 and they finished 1995, and they opened it in 1995, 22nd August. It was constructed by 2 Canadian and 6 Ghanaian, making 8 people. Some of the Ghanaian are still alive. They have been doing maintenance each and every day before tour begins. The bridge is of 7. Initially it was 7. In 2010 they did bypass. They realized that some people get stuck in the middle, that they can't use all the 7 bridges. So they did bypass for the height phobies. So then they can use the chicken exit. Chicken exit, that's the shorter one. After the first bridge, you decide whether you use the longer one or the shorter one.
The chicken one.
The chicken one. that one is for the height phobies. You can use the shorter one. Then after the first platform or the first bridge, you keep your left. If you want to use the shorter one, you keep left. You do additional to the first bridge, making 3. But if you want to go to all the 7 bridges, you keep your right. You do 7. You do 6 additional to the first one, making 7. Since 1995, we haven't experienced any casualties. That is 26 years of age. It is safe to use it. The bridge is made up of wooden board, metal ladder, we have metal cable, and we have rope, that's a long way, hanging on the tree. It's very, very safe to work in. But if you have questions, you can ask me so that I will assist you.
Chama.
They keep sneaking in extra hills.
We made it back to the game.
Thank you. Wow.
We need to move slowly.
To take our time.
Sometimes you can't sleep with.
Okay.
You want me to take one with the 3 of you?
All the way.
You gotta hike up.
That's not her first rodeo.
I know it.
She done flip flop. I don't know. Yeah, well that's what they. Yeah, and one of them had on birth and stuff. That's what they do.
Yeah.
Remember, I'm around them all the time.
Oh,
You can go?
Oh, you can go.
Yeah.
we're good. We're ready.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're going.
Oh, okay.
You want to take a picture on TV?
No, get down. Yeah, get down.
Oh, straight. Aye. Who do I want? You know, can go straight.
Downhill the challenge. Look at all these rocks. Yep. But I got on.
Yeah, that's not bad actually. Right. And that's more straightforward.
Not a lot of rock.
Right. Good idea.
Put this down so I drown in my own snow.
That's all I just see. This week. That's just autopilot. She's rolling. That's why I said coming up here. I was like, why would she look at it? Right.
Yeah, I got bad news.
No, I hear you. Deep. That's where it's kind of it's more slipperier. Yeah, be careful. It's like slipperier over there. Seems like the gravel or sand.
Or the above.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, we almost. Oh, well, no.